Hello and welcome back to this class. I'm just opening the Notepad++ again. And actually one thing I just did, the thing is, I just added the name attribute with all of them, okay? You can see that here with this input and with this email address. You can see that this is name as well. This name is actually subject, this name is actually email, and this name actually comments, and this name actually submit contact. Okay, all the things which I just cleared there, everything is really fine. Name is email, name is name, name is subject, and name is comment, and name is submit contact. So this is actually cleared. Now if I just go to the browser, and actually I just opened the admin, PHP my admin actually. Why I just opened that? Just because I just want one thing more. Yep, come on, let me give the results right now. Yeah, actually I just want to receive all the comments in the table here. Okay, so for this purpose I'm just going to create a table. The name should be comments, and the number of column is the first of all the comments ID, the comment name, the comment email, the comment subject 4, the comments comment actually comment, the commentary actually the 5, and the 6th is the date and the time then that when the user has submitted the comment. So there are approximately 6 columns. So I'm just click on go button and I got this here. The first one should be comment ID. Don't use the hyphen here, must be underscore, and no space will be allowed. Then the name. The name means the username and the email address, and the subject, perfect, and then the comment, and then the date. The name should be text, the email should be text, the subject should be text, the comment should be text, and the date should be, timestamp. Okay, all that things is clear. Now just simply change the index into primary and click yes, and just select AI. Means auto incremented. I'm doing this with the comment ID, means the ID. So let's just click on save button, and in this way I just got the table named comments, which actually has no result, but the structure has all the, it is showing all the columns here. Okay, so that is totally fine. What I'm just going to do more here, actually I am just going to receive this form. The thing is, where to receive the form? I'm just receiving the form in the same page named the contact.php. So now where to receive the form in the contact.php? At the top, I'm just receiving the form at the top here by adding the if else, and here I'm just typing is set for checking that the variable named the submit contact. Okay, I just created the name submit contact for the submit button. Okay, so the submit contact is exist or no in the post method, means you just clicked on the submit contact or no. So $post, if you just remember that the method is post, so I'm just receiving the form in the post way. So here in this way submit contact. Okay, by the way, this is okay, but I'm receiving this in the underscore way, and I'm just changing here. This should be the underscore because we are just interacting the PHP now, interacting with the PHP. So by the way, here when actually we just confirmed that the submit contact is setted, and now let's just receive all the data of the form here. First of all, I am just creating the SQL query for inserting the data. SQL and equals to, and here I'm just typing insert into. If you just remember about the insert into query, we just learned about it in the before this project, before the CMS system. So by the way, insert into where? Insert into comments. Okay, perfect. Press any space. Now insert into comments. What are the columns and what are the data you want to submit? So the columns will be here, and the values for that columns will be here. Okay, here I'm just typing the first one column is what? I'm just going here. The first one is the name, subject, date, and comment. Okay, the first one is the name, name, comma, after the name, what is this? The email. Okay, so I'm just typing email, and then the other thing is comma, and the subject, yep, the other thing is comment, comma. Now I have to check that in the browser. Why I just, oh sorry, in the database, what I just given, the comments or comment, that is perfect. And the fifth one is date. So let's just put the date here. Everything is fine. Now one thing which will be a problem for us, actually I have to teach you some more things here in this class. First of all, what is the name? If you just go here, the name is actually the name. So let's just receive this name here in the PHP by the dollar and the post, and obviously by typing the name. And then the other thing is dollar post, and then the after the name it is the email. Okay, another comma, and then dollar, the same thing, dollar post, and then the after the post, the email, there is a subject. Okay, subject, perfect. Another comma and space, and the next thing is the comment. Okay, the next thing is comment. Uh-oh, not in the single quotes, by the way. So here, comments. Okay, everything is fine. The first one is the name here, the first one is the name here, the second one is the email subject, and the subject, and the fourth one is the comment. So the fourth one is the comment here. I just type comments. So what is it here is the comments. I'm just removing this s. This should be only the comment, not comments. So I'm just removing the s and saving that. Perfect. The thing is that how to put the date. Okay, where I'm just putting the date is I'm just selecting the date anywhere from this form. I'm not selecting the date. So how to put the date? This can be a problem. So now if you just remember the date chapter in the I just created the complete section for dates, if you remember, in the basic PHP. So I'm just going to get something from the date function. Okay, and here this is the date function, and here inside this I'm just typing the Y in the capital, means I'm just putting the the year in full form, the 4 digit, and obviously the small m and the D. So I'm saying again, if you just want to learn some more things about the date function, so let's just visit the previous section about dates, and you will get more information about that. Or actually you should revise that, but this is really simple because I'm just pressing any space and typing HIS. The mean is that this is the hour, this is the minute, and this is the second. Okay, minute is not for M, the M is for the month, and the D is for date, and the Y is for capital year. If I just check this that this is perfect or no, so I'm just copying that and just pasting this here in the contact us form. Here I'm just adding some PHP tags, and here I'm just applying this and echoing this date here in the contact us form. So go to the browser, I'm just going here, refresh that. Now I got the date. Okay, this is the perfect date, the year, the month, the month, the date, and all the things. Okay, so in this way I can send the date to the browser. This is a perfect one. I'm just deleting that and going here at the top and just creating a variable named date. Okay, so whenever I just click on submit contact, automatically the current time will be saved here in the date variable by using the date function. Okay, and this will be sent to the database. Okay, so I'm just adding another variable named date. Okay, I'm not getting this through the form, so I'm not putting the post or something here, but I just forgot to add the single quotes around this. I did that, so I hope you understood how I did that. And then just simply do the last thing, the run SQL in equals to MySQLi query query, and then $CONN. Okay, I just simply included the db.php so I can run the connection, and then the comma and ins SQL. Okay, everything is fine there. We just have to check that form, save that, and I'm just going to check that. Just come here in this page and I'm just typing blah blah blah. Okay, the ASD, and here, so that is perfect. And actually I just made our contact us form and run it up. So guys, I'll do some more things in next class. And one thing more, I was just thinking, instead of this Jumbotron, I am just adding a new thing here, the page header. Maybe it will be more preferred. Refresh that now. Continue. Now, this is a simple contact us form and looking more perfect. So I'm just done with it, and we'll learn some more things in next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.